Now, a good number of times you would observe that your hands could be stiff. I mean, some of the seniors, even these are some of the obvious signs of menopause. When you are getting to 50, early 50s, your mid 50s, you suddenly will start noticing that sometimes your hands are getting stiff and you're not able to fold it. And even after 61, I mean after 60, other signs of aging continue to show up. Now, the very obvious reason why these things happen sometimes, nutritional deficiency, poor blood circulation, too much carbohydrates in the diet, coldness. When you put maybe you are the type that likes washing clothes, washing dishes, washing all of the washings that involves dipping your hands in water. And sometimes it could even be none of these ones mentioned. It could be other factors. Maybe you stay in air-conditioned apartment all the time and you do not go out to the sunlight, or maybe where you are sleeping, the window is open to the air and cold gets into your body. For various reasons, these things could happen, but it's particularly common with seniors. Apart from, improving your diet and the rest, there are some hacks that can help you to improve the mobility of your hands, because it's very, very important. And the one that is working for me lately is the ginger essential oil. Now, you may not have access to ginger root or ginger powder, other forms of ginger at all times, but you can always have access to your ginger essential oil. You can always have it around you, and each time you feel those stiffness of your joints, it can even be around your toes, you just take the ginger essential oil. Look at it. Ensure you get a good brand. There are very poor brands. I have gotten some of them that are bad brands, very bad. They do not deliver the essential, the oil, the ginger qualities in it. And so get a good brand of ginger essential. This one is good. Ginger essential oil. I have the bad ones. I don't use them anymore. They will cause inflammations for you. They must have added some other additives that may not be okay for you, especially seniors. And so when you put it in your palm, all you need is to massage. You don't need to pair it with any olive oil or any coconut oil. You don't need. Just put the oil in your palm. Massage it. Massage towards the ribs like this. Yes, to improve circulation, to send heat and warmth. Once the heat gets there, all the coldness will vanish, and then you will feel better mobility with your hands. So if you are having that challenge, you don't need to worry. It's not something unusual or uncommon. Apart from the causes, a few of these causes mentioned, you need to get a good ginger oil around you, especially if you live in cold regions. You need to have it. If you are not living in cold regions and you are living alone, this is very common with seniors. A good number of seniors, they live alone. Yes, they live alone. And because they live alone, most times they do a good number of the job themselves. And this necessitates using their hand. And sometimes frequent use of that particular hand or whichever could cause wear and tear around the nerves, the joints, and this could cause sometimes inflammations and pains. These are experiences I've been through. And so ginger essential oil is one that you should always have handy around you. You find it very, very useful, and you can apply it on any part of the body. You don't have to restrict it to the hands. You can apply it in between your toes. Sometimes you may have worn very tight shoes. Yes, you may have worn tight shoes. It may not be shoes. It could be any type of wears on your feet. And at the time you're about to sleep, the pain start, the inflammation start, you can use the ginger essential oil. Keep the place clean and just apply it topically. It's going to give you result. Use it to do gentle massage around that area. And at other times, you could have even hit your feet on a hard surface. In order to prevent inflammations, you can use the ginger essential oil to massage it, massage that point, and you're going to stop that inflammation before it starts giving you pains. So this is one of the hacks that seniors should be using externally to help improve the quality of life. It's not all the time that you have to start looking for analgesics or something to ingest, because whenever you ingest any of those things, your liver will have to work extra. Your kidney will have to do extra job. Anytime we take all those over the counter in order to stop the pains, start doing this and you'll be glad you did. Don't forget to give a feedback if you have started or you're already on it.